Hi, this is Wu Zhang. Welcome to my channel. I made a service appointment to address the issues that I noticed during my Cybertruck delivery day. Today, I'm going to share what problems that I captured and how the service progress went. With Tesla, you can handle everything from service appointment to tracking progress, payment, and even pickup, all through their mobile app. After I schedule my service, Tesla reviews the request and confirms the schedule, but there was a delay in getting the parts, so Tesla had to reschedule once. Let me first go over the issues that I reported. First, I request a replacement for the right headlights because it had a crack. The plastic fender on the front right was slightly dented, so I asked for the replacement as well. I also noticed that a bit of water seems to be seeping into the vault after a heavy rain, so I asked them to check that out. There was some stains on the stainless steel body at the time of the pickup, so I asked them to be removed. But I later decided it might be better to polish it myself, so I told the service center they didn't need to handle this anymore. I also noted a small dent on the brake pedal cover and a long scratch on the front passenger window. I noticed a slight vibration in the driver's side mirror when driving high speed, so I asked them to check that out too. Lastly, the plastic cover on the driver's seat wasn't properly secured, so I asked them to fix that. I thoroughly checked everything, and aside from these issues, I didn't find any other problems. Since I reported these issues through the mobile app within a day after delivery, all the repairs were covered for free. When I drop off my Cybertruck at the Tesla service center, they mentioned that it might take few days due to the number of repairs needed, so they gave me a Model 3 as a loaner vehicle. When I checked the app, it initially showed that the repair could be completed the next day, but after the technician reviewed everything, the completion date was updated. After the drop-off, it was just a waiting game. I'm not sure about other car brands, but with Tesla, you can track the progress in real time through the mobile app. In the Tesla mobile app, if you go to Repair Progress page, you can see the status of each item. While the vehicle is in the service mode, you can control all the functions, but you can still see updates on the vehicle location and visuals. On the first day, my Cybertruck was just parked, but it seems like they started the actual repairs on the second day. The first thing that they fixed was a plastic cover on the driver's seat. If you click on it, you can even see the notes the technician left on how they repaired it. They removed the old part and replaced it with the new one. The next day, the repair progress shows that headlight was being replaced, the tire pressure checked, and the passenger side window replaced. The following day, I received a notification that Cybertruck was moving, which I assume was the technician testing for the vibration issue at high speed. I dropped off my Cybertruck on Tuesday, and by the next Wednesday, I received a notification that all repair was completed. The parts that needed to be replaced, like the headlight, window, brake pedal cover, tire fender, and the plastic seat cover, were all taken care of. Regarding the slight vibration in the side mirror, they mentioned it could be due to air turbulence, and just to be safe, they also did a wheel balance. This might be related to the Cybertruck design, but I'll keep an eye on it as I drive more. They also checked the issue of water getting into the vault, but since the design isn't meant to be completely waterproof, they noted that no further repair were necessary. According to Tesla manual, the vault is protected from rain and snow, but isn't completely waterproof, so they recommend storing sensitive items in the lower trunk area or the frunk. I saw a YouTube video where another Cybertruck owner sealed this area to be more waterproof, so I'm thinking to try that out myself soon. Not every issue I reported was perfectly resolved, but the overall progress from the service request to pickup went relatively smoothly. And being able to check the progress anytime through the mobile app was really convenient. Tesla ended up pushing back pickup schedule twice, and I hope Tesla can improve by improving more accurate completion date in the future so I don't have to adjust my schedule multiple times. I'll be back with more interesting video, so don't forget to subscribe and like to make sure you don't miss out. See ya!